If you run a Shopify store, you have undoubtedly come across Council Bluffs somewhere in your dashboard, in your analytics, and then wonder to yourself, why the hell am I getting so much traffic from a city in the middle of Iowa, in the middle of the country, right? Well, if you give me 2 minutes, I will explain to you what Council Bluffs is, why you're seeing it everywhere, and then how to get rid of it once and for all. So first, let's start with what Council Bluffs, Iowa is. Obviously, it's a city and it's in Iowa, but the reason that you're seeing it on your dashboard is because Council Bluffs, Iowa is where the Google data center sits that Shopify uses for speed testing. So Shopify is constantly speed testing your theme in your store to give you a score and let you know whether you need to improve or whether you're in a good state based on the average around the world. So the data center where all of those speed tests come from is located in Council Bluffs, Iowa. So that's why you're seeing it on all of your dashboards. Now, sometimes when you make changes, when you change your theme, you're going to get a lot more hits from Council Bluffs, and other times you may see very minimal, but it's going to show up and it's going to start to skew your numbers. So now you may be asking, well, if it's a speed test data center, why does it show up in my analytic data? The second half to this is Shopify by default, all of its analytics, the session counts don't just count human traffic. They count human traffic and bot traffic. So all of the speed test bot traffic that's coming to your store is being counted as a session, and that can actually skew a lot of your numbers from your sessions to your conversion rate. So now let me show you how you can get rid of this once and for all and start only seeing human sessions in your analytic data on your Shopify store. So now we're going to jump over here into this analytics dashboard, and one of the reports that you'll find this on most often is this one here called Sessions by Location. So if I click into that particular report, it's not in my top 5, but if I scroll down, I'm willing to bet, yep, right here, Iowa, Council Bluffs, decent amount of sessions for the month of June for there to be bot traffic. And you'll notice over here, human or bot session, it's tracking human and bot traffic. So to fix this, the first thing we want to do is change this to is, and I want you to watch right here, as soon as I change this to only is human, Council Bluffs goes away because that's all bot traffic. And just to make sure, we can go and type in Session City. And we want to make sure that Session City is not. And then we're going to add Council Bluffs. Now we would hit Save As, and I typically save all of these new reports that I create as the same name, but then I add no bots at the end. Now I've already created this, but you would hit Save Copy. Now when we're back in our analytics dashboard, you can click the 3 little dots and click Customize. This is going to open up your editor, and over here you're going to see all the available reports. And here you'll see that you can actually move around, resize, and rearrange all of the reports that show up in your analytics dashboard. So now this Sessions by Location, we created a new version. This is the one with no bots. So I'm going to drag this in here. And we're going to see even right here, just the United States with no location, there were 641 sessions by default in our default report that counts bot traffic, but there's only 239 sessions when you are excluding all of the bot traffic. So that's a big difference that can have a big effect on numbers like your conversion rate. Same thing, if you look at your conversion rate here, we have our sessions, but if we included all of those bot sessions over time, we'd still have the same amount of completed checkouts. So instead of a 3.9 conversion rate, you may be looking at a 3.4, wondering why you can't get it higher. Once you're done, you come up here and you simply click Save. Now, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and update all of the different reports that are on your dashboard so that you can make sure you're not including sessions from Council Bluffs or from any of the bots. If you found this useful, go ahead and click subscribe below, and feel free to take a look at some of the other videos that are on my channel. And if you're at the point where you're ready to really dig into your Shopify store and see what you can do to take it to the next level, go ahead and click the link in the description below and book a call.